current programme in the construction of the mobile maintenance trains is progressing very well. The machines are being built in Freilassing, Germany, by a company called Robel. That's just on the Austrian-Germany border.
This is maybe the best project which Robel has done for years, and the process is just amazing because everyone knows that the project is very important for Robel. My aim is delivering a machine that fits perfectly for the customer.
The main changes has been the restriction of W6A gauge on the UK infrastructure, which means effectively we have to deal with a smaller working environment.
Our biggest problem was that we have to modify each part of the Norwegian machine that it can fit inside the W6A gauge.
We've been working closely with the design team to maximise the amount of headroom we've got, to look at the working platform in the mobile maintenance unit, putting the operator in a seated position rather than standing, raise the eye girders which carry the cranes through the intermediate wagon as well, to optimise our working space and make it as ergonomically workable as possible.
The next steps are beginning of December. We should have finished the first train, and then we go outside on our test track and make the startup and also the software testing and the test runs in Austria, braking tests and driving tests on track.
Going out, undertaking welding activities within the actual train to understand the dynamics, particularly of how we extract fumes within the train. So be more specific testing of work activities within the actual MMU, so we can better understand the risks and issues which will arise from those activities.
In terms of the learning process from the site observations in Oslo, we were particularly impressed with the setup time, and that's really motivated us to look at the options for deploying this machine as a train in section and moving away from possession works. Also, a lot of the restrictions and limitations and potential hazards with the welding process, so we're looking at adopting a lot more safe procedures for welding, extraction systems, fire blankets against the sidewalls. So we learnt a lot from the welding process and the potential hazards that presents when working in the mobile maintenance unit.
And the next big milestone as well will be getting the train through our SRT process, so we get approval to operate on the network, as well as then producing the approvals documentation with Interfleet as the no-boat to get the train approved for operation on our network.